I was asked this recently, and I think it's a good question. It's interesting because it made me really think about it for a moment. Because I'm often surprised that an organisation will spend time, money, effort on research and insight into its EVP, only to then execute that as something around like make a difference, join here and make a difference. But there's nothing wrong with that, but I've seen that done so many times for banks, professional services firms, right through to like an aged care facility. So I think the thing for me is, aside from the usual kind of competitor analysis or market testing of your creative execution or your value proposition before that, one of the tips that I give to people is ask the question why a couple more times, and that gets you to a more interesting and authentic place. So why will people make a difference here? Why is that different from our competition? And it sounds slightly cynical to ask that, but it's a really valuable exercise, just a challenge. And if you go a couple of layers deeper, like I say, it gets you to a more interesting, authentic, and often differentiated place. And that then is the bedrock to then think about, okay, how creatively do we make that stand out? So that's my advice for today. Ask why a couple more times if you really want to get to how you differentiate your employer brand and how you execute that compared to other people in the market.